Hello friends, today we will discuss main points of National Policy of Education 1968. The National Policy of Education 1968 was a significant milestone in India's educational landscape. It aimed to address various challenges in the education system and promote national integration, social justice and economic development. So main points are: first, educational structure. The policy proposed a new educational structure known as 10 plus 2 plus 3 system, which included 10 years of school education, 2 years of higher secondary education and 3 years of undergraduate education. Second is universal access and enrollment. The National Policy of Education emphasized the need for universal access of education, particularly for marginalized groups including scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and women. It aimed to achieve universal enrollment in primary education. Third is quality of education. The policy stressed the importance of improving the quality of education through better teacher training, curriculum development and use of modern teaching methods and materials. Next is regional languages. The National Policy of Education recognized the importance of regional languages in education and encouraged their use as the medium of instruction, especially in primary education, to promote cultural identity and understanding. Fifth one is technical and vocational education. The policy aimed to expand technical and vocational education to meet the needs of economy and provide students with special practical skills for employment. Next is adult education. The National Policy of Education highlighted the need for adult education programs to improve literacy rates and provide lifelong learning opportunities for adults, particularly in rural areas. National integration. The policy aimed to promote national integration and social cohesion through education, fostering a sense of unity and understanding among diverse cultural and social groups. Next is decentralization and autonomy. The National Policy of Education advocated for decentralization in educational administration, giving more autonomy to local bodies and institutions to cater to the specific needs of their communities. The policy called for increased public investment in